Welcome my lovely viewers, hope you all are safe and sound. So today, Tutor Academy is presenting a brand new tutorial how I earned dollar on Fiverr in just minutes. A client needed a logo retouch and recoloring, and I completed the task quickly and efficiently. You will see how easy and simple it is to deliver high quality work in just a few minutes. So if you are a graphic designer or looking to start freelancing, this video is for you. So watch it till end and learn valuable tips and tricks. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more freelancing and for more graphic designing tips and tricks. First, we open the client file. So this is the file which will progress, and first we will going to trace it. Make it a vector file and then we will continue. So first go to the image trace and choose the fixed color and it will be traced within seconds. So now it is traced. Just simply click on the expand, it will be expanded, and then you can right click on it to make it ungroup, or you can go to the object and select the ungroup option. It will be ungrouped. Select the background and just remove it. Now it is traced and fully editable. So make this a little better. Just take the direct selection tool and just start to making it a little better and just connect to these points. Drag to select both shape and then choose the shape builder tool to make a shape. And I also edit these points and just take the pen tool and add a point and then just drag to connect them, and also edit these points and make it a little better. This will look a little better. These are the color which I apply on the logo. So just simply take them to the upper side and then we will apply on the logo. Now just simply group them. Click these both same color and just simply right click on it and select the group option. It will be grouped, and apply the same method for all. And then click on the lid and tag the eyedropper and pick the color, and a little just edit the gradient and do the same process. Click the blur shape and tag the eyedropper and pick the color. Click on the shape and tag the eyedropper and pick the color. Same process. Click on the shape, tag the eyedropper and pick the color. And now I just will edit the color and make it a little perfect. Oops, it is a blunder. Just don't worry, we fix it. And now click on the gradient tool and use this handle and adjust the gradient and make it a little more perfect. Here you go, your logo is ready, and now we can compare them, the old logo and the new one, so you can check, and it is the new one and it is the old one, and it is a little better. So It is very easy. You can work on anything in Adobe Illustrator, offer your services as a freelancer on Fiverr, and start earning money. Keep learning, keep designing, and turn your skills into income. Drag to select all and make them group, and then go to the effects and click on the stylize and choose the drop shadow and adjust it. If you found my tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Tutor Academy for more freelancing tips, graphic design and tutorial earning strategies. So if you are earning from Fiverr, Upwork and any platform on online freelancing, so leave your comment and how you are earning and how you are doing design very well. Thank you very much and take care of yourself. Allah bless you.